cost a fortune. Nobody said an all-in-one had to be bulky, or that you had to print from your desk. At least, nobody said it to us. Introducing the Business Smart Inkjet All-in-One series from Brother. Easy to use, it's the ultimate combination of speed, small size, and low-cost printing.
We now offer phone service as low as $1.70 a month with MagicJack Plus. That's $19.95 a year. Nothing changes. And now keep your old phone number. That's right, keep your old phone number. Get MagicJack Plus at Radio Shack.
For more than a quarter century, Investors Business Days has helped investors stay on the right side of the stock market. IBD's renowned market analysis shows you when to be invested in stocks to maximize gains and when to move to the sidelines to protect your portfolio. IBD stock lists, investing tools, and
hey, hello traders.
Before they surge in price. Then IBD's rules show you low risk.
I am back. This is Art Dill with FuturesTradingCompany.net.
And with your free trial, you'll receive a live training session to get the most out of IBD right.
We just took our first trade of the day. Missed a couple of trades earlier, but I'm very happy to be here. I was unfortunately hospitalized about a little over a week before Thanksgiving. I was down in our home in Arizona and had been feeling very disoriented.
Spectacular.
Took a couple of falls. That was enough for my wife to fly back down from Seattle here and retrieve my stubborn butt. Brought me back to Seattle and then went to see my doctor, and he sent me to the emergency room. I was admitted to the hospital. Ends up I have something called hypoparathyroid. And what that causes is it looks like we might get stopped out here, a lack of your body to be able to absorb calcium. I had about a 60% of the suggested calcium level. I think I'm getting ready to close out of this trade here. I just closed out. I suppose you got 87.77 on that entry. That was a nice trade. We got long at 87.69. I got one off at 87.76 and 87.77. So nice trade. So that was a nice trade. Anyway, the reason for this posting the video, because I was not available last week at all, and the room has not been open this week, I am going to try to reopen the room next Monday. So if you have been a former room member, or if you have taken a trial in the past, you will be receiving an email from me, and it'll talk a little bit about my current entry rules, talk about the modified stochastic down here, and how I'm entering trades now. So, anyway, if you've been a former room member, you will receive a free 1 month entry to the room. If you've been in the room prior on a trial, you have a chance to come back in for another 1 week free trial. Feel very good about what I'm doing now. Modified. I'm using the Hikinashi, the modified Hikinashi here. My modified stochastic and my trigger, all as part of my trading. And the modified Hikinashi, smooth Hikinashi, not really modified, just smooth, has been very, very good. That was the impetus for this entry. We had an 8770, we hit 8771, and that's when I entered. I got in at 8769, and that was a good trade. I'm also modifying my exits. My exits now are based on my smooth Hikinashi. And once I'm in a trade, either long or short, if I have a modified Hikinashi bar here, smooth Hikinashi bar, form, in the opposite direction of the trade, my stop is moved to just below or above that bar. Here's another trade opportunity coming up. I'll just record one more here. 8782.
Some of the sales pulled into yesterday, some of the stores that were open last night, as retailers try to match and exceed the expectations of their customers. You know, for the 2003 to 10 period, Thanksgiving was
that's the high of the day.
Shopping day of the year. So in recognition of that, now you see bricks and mortar stores opening on Thanksgiving, trying to
That's the high of the day. Let me just watch this a moment. 8780.
The surveys you did indicated people were aware of general economic conditions, meaning, all right, they know things are not great, the unemployment rate's still right around 8%. But they probably don't know that their taxes may go up sharply towards the beginning of next year. Fair to say?
Yeah, I think that's fair to say. I don't think
So it's formed a double top here.
Perspective in terms of the many distinctions and the facets of the fiscal.
I think any entry should probably be a breakout of the high. Let's do this. Let's let it break out above 82, and we'll try to get it at 81. So our plan right now on this trade will be to let it break the high of the day, 82, and then try and put it in a order to sell it, to buy it at 81. So that's the plan.
Business leaders have said that, but that alone isn't going to fix the problem. We can't tax our way out of this. We really need.
I'm going to stop the video, and if it breaks 82 here, I'll start recording again.
All right, Matthew, thanks for joining us. Appreciate it. Matthew Shady.
Who many people have thought for years was the big.
Okay, we broke. I got the long one. Now I'm long too. We broke the 82, and then it did come back a couple points here. We got 81. We're going to try to sell one of them at 88. And our stop is typically 7 points, or below the first HA bar that forms, that is in the opposite direction of our trade. So here's one that's forming right here.
If he thought there were really tough charges and evidence that were coming his way, he might have been convinced to cooperate.
87.79 right now
His lawyer used when
would be
this case was
the
first announced. He says Matthew Martoma
be the
was
exit.
an exceptional portfolio manager who succeeded through hard work.
It's really
Pursuit of information in the public,
my new
public domain. What happened today
exit
is only the
strategy
beginning of a process that we are confident will lead to his exoneration. Now, lawyers are often
is very, very
tough stuff,
effective.
of course, Melissa, when it comes to defending their clients, but you know, in a case where the evidence was very strong against Martoma, I think you might have seen a no comment or a short
There we got
comment,
our first target.
forward to our day in court.
And wow, amazing. 160, 80 is the exit. $80. Wow, I don't know what happened here, but we're going to ride with it.
No, we don't, but we have very strong bullish language from Charlie Stillman, bullish, if you will.
280.
And, you know, we also have the fact that the feds have been trying for years to build a
Boy, oh boy, I wish you guys were with me here. 300. I got my stop at 150. Get rid of this. Don't know what's happened. I don't know if there's something that crossed the wire about the Middle East. But we got a nice profit going here. This is very nice. I've already got 220 this morning. Wow.
And it's possible that they just don't simply have a lot of case tying Cohen to insider trading allegations.
All right, Kate Kelly, thanks so much for that report. Let's head back to headquarters, check with Kayla Couch. She's got more on this big move that we're seeing today and share some research in motion. Kayla.
Well, Melissa, that
Move my stop to 170.
has not faded at all. It's
Been a nice little trade.
12% rather, just in the first couple of hours of trading here. That's, of course, on the unveiling of the BlackBerry 10. We've been waiting for it for a long time. We're hearing that that's finally going to happen on January 30th. Couple that with a bullish analyst report about 2014 shipments. And you can see
8805 should be my stop.
All right, Kayla, thank you very much, and we'll see more of Kayla later. Meantime, the holiday shopping season couldn't come at a better time for two well-known names.
So I moved my stop to 8805. One tick below this smooth HA bar right here. So 8805 is my stop. So I've got another 240 here. Wow. And I've already have $220 of closed trades. So, been a nice morning. Listen, guys, I'm going to stop the video. I just wanted to post something here to the website or to the web on YouTube because I have not been trading and obviously have also not been posting anything because of that and because of what I went through with the hospitalization and my illness. So I hope to see some of you back Monday. I am going to open the room and we'll go from there. Have a great weekend. I hope all of you had a fantastic Thanksgiving. And I'm having a very good day after Thanksgiving. I am doing very well here. Let's see.
Geico, 15 minutes could save you 15% or more on car insurance.
Tuesday, the fiscal cliff looms and the clock is ticking. Now, CNBC starts a 4-day trek across the country.
Now here we are so far. I've got a closed P&L at $220 and now I've got another 380 open. So this is turning into an absolutely fabulous trade. Listen, guys, have a great rest of the holiday weekend, and again, hope to see some of you on Monday.